Fizz Clean is marketed as a toilet cleaning powder that promises deep cleaning without scrubbing. According to the product page, you just drop it into the toilet bowl and let the effervescent action dissolve limescale, rust, urine stains, odors, and bacteria. The brand pushes it as a fast, low-effort alternative to brushes and liquid cleaners. Backed by bold claims, discounted bundles, urgency timers, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. But does Fizz Clean actually work? Or is it another overhyped cleaning product? One of the first red flags is the no scrubbing claim. Tough toilet stains like rust and limescale usually require mechanical action. Yet there's no independent testing or third-party evidence showing that this powder can consistently remove heavy buildup just by fizzing in water. Without proof, that claim is likely exaggerated. Another concern is ingredient transparency. The site talks about advanced chemistry and industrial-grade power, but never clearly explains what chemicals are inside. There's no ingredient breakdown, no safety data sheet, and no explanation of how the fizz actually breaks down stains, which makes it hard to judge both effectiveness and safety. There's also inconsistent information across different sellers. Some claim it works in 10 minutes, others say 20 minutes or longer. When basic performance details change depending on the page, it raises questions about reliability. Fizz Clean also implies it kills bacteria and disinfects, yet there's no EPA registration, lab certification, or verified disinfectant approval shown. Any product claiming germ-killing properties should be able to back that up, and here, it doesn't. Finally, while the website shows glowing reviews and high ratings, independent review platforms tell a very different story. Many customers report weak or almost non-existent foaming, little to no stain removal, confusing checkout pricing, delivery delays, and major issues getting refunds. The pattern suggests strong advertising, but poor real-world performance and customer support. So what's the verdict? Fizz Clean appears to rely heavily on flashy marketing and exaggerated claims. You may receive a product, but based on the lack of evidence, inconsistent performance claims, and widespread customer complaints, it's unlikely to deliver the deep, effortless cleaning shown in the ads. If you've tried Fizz Clean, drop your experience in the comments. And if you want more honest breakdowns like this, like the video, subscribe, and stay informed before you buy.